Hello everyone, my friends, how are you doing? So welcome back again to our channel, and for this video I will teach you how to freeze paints. Alright, so without further ado, let's start freezing paints. Okay, so for us to be able to freeze paints, actually that is very simple. Just click the view tab, and we have here different paints. We have paints for freezing columns. We can actually we can actually freeze the top row and freeze the paints, which is the column together with the top row. So let's start with the top row. So let's try to click freeze top row. Okay, so upon clicking the freeze top row, it is now actually freeze. As you can see, upon navigating the lower part of our Excel, the top row is now stick on the place on where it is. Alright, so that is basically the freezing of top row. Okay, if we wanted to unfreeze it, we can actually basically click this unfreeze paints, and it is now unfreeze. Okay, so as you can see, I'm freely removing the Excel environment. Now, if we wanted to freeze the first column, if we are, for example, our main categories or main labels are here on our first column, the freeze that we should choose is the freeze first column. So let's try to freeze the first column. Okay, so it is now actually freeze. As you can see, I will move the environment going to the left. Alright, and the first column, which is the column A, is now freeze, obviously. And if we wanted to unfreeze it, just click this unfreeze paints, and it is now unfreeze. Okay, so that's the second one. For the last one, we can actually freeze paints, but before having our paints freeze, our cursor or our active cell should be on the cell B2, because actually the above cell is the column header, and the left cell, which is A2, is now a column part, which is to be freezed. So that's why we should now click the cell B2 and click freeze paints. For the freeze paints, the column and the top row are both freeze at the same time. So let's try to check if those rows and columns are already freeze. So let's try to navigate going up. Okay, as you can see, it is now freeze. And let's try going left. Okay, so it is now freeze. That is basically how we can freeze paints, and of course how we can unfreeze paints. For unfreezing paints, just click this unfreeze paints, and we can now freely move our data cells. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this tutorial, very short tutorial of mine, and watch out for our next video regarding Microsoft Excel tutorial, and I hope you are already learning by this time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more related content, my friends, and keep safe always. See you on the next video. Goodbye.